There are a lot of things that it's super important to know if you're going through a contested divorce or custody case. But one thing I would caution you about is that if you are going to go to court and make an argument about your soon-to-be ex or your child's father, you should make sure that you're not doing the same things, even in retaliation. It might seem like what's good for the goose is good for the gander, but you really need to be behaving as though you are above all of that noise. So when you go to court, you are able to put together a flawless presentation of all the things that you have done right and the things that he has done wrong. If we're going to make a case, for example, about his drug or alcohol use, maybe we'll be able to get a drug test, but you should certainly be clean of all substances. It doesn't really matter whether it's legal or not, right? Because alcohol can go to a level of alcoholism, or pot might be legal, but judges feel differently about it in different courts. You should be clean. You should not have a drug or alcohol dependence problem at all, especially if you're going to raise it against him, or it can backfire. And once your credibility is undermined in court, you usually are going to appear in front of the same judge over and over and over again, and that judge will almost certainly not forget. Your credibility will be shot, and other allegations that you make later will be viewed with more suspicion. So whatever arguments you're going to make, you should make sure that you are not doing that same thing. You're not arguing that he's withholding the kids while you're withholding the kids. You're not arguing that he misuses, his funds, but meanwhile you're going on lavish vacations. We need to make sure that you are above reproach. And that's going to be one of the best ways to present any argument that you might make in front of the court.